Are you looking for a way to effectively put into use all the features that you need on Distrokid to be able to promote your songs, your newly released song, the very best way? Then you are in the right direction. Welcome to this video. It's all about all the promotional features that you will see on Distrokid that will help you to have, number one, pre-sale of your song on Spotify, on Apple Music, and all other music online stores. And then also be able to connect all these stores by one link. I'm going to show you how to do just that and how to use other promotional and video generating softwares that are right inside Distrokid to be able to promote your song. The advantage of this is that you will be able to gain more viewership, you're going to get more streams, and these streams will convert into fans, and people will be able to get to you and all your music sites using the Distrokid link. You don't need others like Tonden and many others that are outside. Right inside Distrokid, I'm going to show you how you can do that. As you can see, this is a song that I just uploaded, and it's saying, hooray, your music is on its way. Whenever you finish uploading, you will see this kind of thing. Like, here is a link we already produced. This link is going to show you how you can upload your music. And if you have done up to that, now this is the next stage. Putting your music out there for people to know. Of course, when you have uploaded, you should upload at least, give it something like 3 weeks before the time you are releasing. Now, when you come to here, say promote your new album. We made a HYPERFOLLOW page to help you get more listeners. Preview here. This is for a new one. You can see, okay, this is a preview. Now, I am actually the person that added these ones. Normally, you will see only this Spotify pre-save. I'm going to show you how I was able to add this AudioMac link and then YouTube link also, and everything, how I did it. In case you have already a song that you have not added these things, it should appear this way. When you go to your distrokid.com, how you are going to access this HYPERFOLLOW is that you click on this place, go down to promote yourself, and then here you see HYPERFOLLOW. This HYPERFOLLOW, you see, this is the one that this Nade Kele that we just uploaded. It already has 7 previews since we developed this preview, that is this pre-save. Normally, you can edit this pre-save. This is you can copy the link, but here is the image of the song. If I don't want this, if I want to have any other image, maybe I have a second image, I can come to my picture and select any image that I want to use here. For instance, if I should come here, if I want to select this, it will be there, and then I can actually set it the way I want it to be. If it is this, but let's leave it in the first one it was before. Okay, we can just go back to video and then select that. So this was the one there, just to show you that it can be edited. Then you put the song title, put all the details here, put your location, put the bio if you have anything you want to talk about here, and then put the date. Here you are going to tell us that this is coming out by this time and this time. Whatever information I want to tell your audience and your fan to expect, you are going to put it in there. Then after that, here is where you can add as many links of your song stores as possible. Now here is already AudioMac. I'm going to show you how I was able to add this AudioMac. Just click on add link, then write AudioMac. Then you go and find the URL of AudioMac for easier use. Just go there, put AudioMac Narekele. You see it here. I just click here, and then I scroll down and copy the music URL. This is what I'm going to add there at the HYPERFOLLOW URL, and then it will generate exactly that. I just set it exactly it is. So with this, I can save the link. You see exactly what is here is here. Why I decided to do this to show you that I have just added it before I began this video, but you can re-edit. I can decide to remove this one. I can decide this, I click here, I can decide to make this one the number one, the one that's on top. The same way that I have just added this, I can search also for the YouTube music, go to YouTube music and copy the link, Also, I can search for the YouTube video itself and put it here. This is the YouTube video. I can decide to edit it. I add other things. I've already added the link here. That is why it is this way. Now, you can decide here to add as many links as possible, especially considering the area where your audience, the music source that your audience, that you are looking for, where you have more audience. Are they on Spotify? Are they on Apple Music? Are they on YouTube? Are they on other things? Do you have website? All this is, you can actually add each one by clicking on add a link. If it is a chorus song, for instance, you can also add the link of the post that contains the chorus song. For instance, if I want to add a song now that has a chorus song, if I click here, I'm going to add maybe Narekele, even though it's not a chorus song, Narekele, copy for download. I can decide to do it here. Now I'm going to find where I have made a post here. I have already made a post. Okay, see, Narekele by Featur Music. I'm going to click on it. And when it loads, I'm going to copy the URL. You see it? Now, assuming that I have already known that whoever clicks this will be able to scroll down and find every information it needs there. I can copy this and go back to that HYPERFOLLOW and then click here and then add the link. Load. Okay, here there is no picture here. I can decide to click here and go and add the image or any other image that I may prefer. So you see, save the link. Now when I have added it, let's see how it is, how it looks. You see, this is Narekele copy for download. This is audio. If I want this one to be on top, I can easily shift it to be on top here. You can see, like this, you're able to arrange all this in both the video, both the copy, both the audio of your song. When you have finished doing this, next thing you will do is to save changes. Scroll down and save changes. Now, let's open it in a new tab and see what you have been able to do. Now, you see all the information you have is here. You have given is here. And whenever you share this particular link on your social media, you'll be able to share this. Anyone that clicks on it will be able to get this. This clip, the audio clip here, is the portion that I have selected to replay. That is maybe the 30 seconds that I want to be using for promo on TikTok, on Facebook, or all others. Whoever clicks on this will get that particular portion of the music. This is the video itself on YouTube. Anyone that clicks on it, when you have published it, will be able to play it. Of course, this is able to play because this is a song that I have published before. Okay. Now, when you go down, you see Spotify pre-save. On this particular one, I'm going to teach you still how to link your Distrokid to Spotify and Apple Music and even to YouTube. That will be one of my upcoming lessons. If you find this valuable, please subscribe to this channel and then click on the bell icon so that you'll be able to get our notification whenever we drop a video. Okay, so this now is for anyone that looks at it, we say copy for it, and then when he clicks on it, you'll be able to go to online. You see, it's leading the person to this place. The same way, for this, if I click or if he clicks on the audio mark, for those who prefer audio mark, it will lead them to the audio mark of the song. They copy, you see it. The same thing, if the person wants YouTube music, it will also lead the person to YouTube music. You see how you're able to organize everything so that with just a click of the link, anybody can either pre-save or listen to the song. Now, the next thing we are going to do here is to teach you also about other promotional tools, not just this one. When you click here still, when you go to that promote yourself, after the HYPERFOLLOW, you see another one that you call mini video. You also have meme video generator and then visit generator. Mini videos and the meme generator are free, while visit generator you pay for it a bit. Then promo cards. Let me show you now. I'm going to use mini video to show you an example. You can use the same example for meme videos and visit videos. Let's click on mini videos. It will lead us to these are samples of the mini videos we can use. Normally, I prefer using rope. Let's click on rope, for instance, and let's see how it turns out. This is a sample. Then let's pick a song. Normally we are going to pick Nare Ekene. This is alphabetical. These are all my songs. So if you are new, you only have the ones that are published here. My own, there are many here because it has been long. Now here, an announcement, you can now put out now on, you can put the date, name, artist name, Farabato, featuring if you have anyone you are featuring. Then here, trim the song to start at a particular place you want. You play your song and know the particular portion that you want to use as the promotional piece. Then I'm going to tell it to generate the video for this. Now, while it is generating the video, let me show you an example of the one that have been generated before. This is the one that is generated, is processing it. Any minute, it is okay to leave this page. For instance, this is another example. Uju Kagomo is a song that I published before. When I download this generated one, I'm going to show you an example of what it looks like. Now, this is one video that is generated. I'm going to reduce the volume. You see, this is a video that I have generated free of charge and is a kind of a play. Okay, that's one out of many. Now, here, see it here. You have finished downloading. So you can see, I can tell it to play. This is how it's going to show. You can post this. You can post this on your various social medias with that link that you have generated. And this also serves well when you have not actually generated, you have not done an official video for it. You can use this in place of the video so that you don't go and waste your time trying to do just any other one. This one is classic and easy to generate and free of charge too. When you click here, you'll be able to download this to your device. And then you can actually, when you have downloaded it, you can also click here to share it to your various social media platforms. And then when that person sees it, when he clicks it, it will lead the video has been published, you will see this. But if the video has not been published, you will only see the preset. You will not be anticipating for the day that you are going to release this song. Now, another feature that I would also like to show you here is, let's go back. Okay. Another feature that I would like to show you here on the Promote Yourself is this main video generator. Okay, it works like mini videos, and then you have also promo cards. Now, promo cards, what are promo cards? Promo cards are simple cards that we generate that you can share across your various social media platforms. For instance, I'm going to find out my song again here, Nare Ekele. I can generate a promo card for this Nare Ekele, which I will now use everywhere. You see this? These are various samples. Whichever I want, I will download it. Whichever of them that I want. For instance, I think I can go with this. I can easily download, save this image to my laptop. I can now decide to share this video. When you have done that, you people will now know that this song is coming out and it's on Spotify, on music, on Apple Music, on YouTube, on Distrokid. And this is how you can effectively promote your song. Now, finally, I'm going to show you too how, when your music is still new, you don't yet have these links to others. You will do what we call pre-save. What is a pre-save? A pre-save is a link that you send to people. For instance, this one, say we are processing your album, uploading it to streaming platform. Normally, you don't yet have the links to this. What you are going to do, when you click here, it says, we made a HYPERFOLLOW page to help you get more listeners. So you can click on this, and you see this is a pre-save we're talking about. Now, remember, we have added this things ourselves using a link of this particular video which we have promoted, we have actually published. Why? If you are just publishing newly, you will not be able to get these videos and others. Rather, you have this one. Now, this is a preview. When you can decide to customize this, and then share on X, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on Pinterest. And you can also decide to edit it and do many other things which I have actually told you how to do. Do many other things here that you can add various links that you can generate, as we have already talked about it here. And then you can copy this link and then share to many other social media platforms. This is a very important step for you if you want to have more fans, if you want to have that boost, if you want to have that impact on your release date. Please try to follow this. Thank you for following to this point. If this video has some value, for you, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon to get our notification of new videos. Once again, if you don't know how to upload your song, if you don't know all the steps that you need to take, please refer to this link here that is going to walk you through the step-by-step guide of how to upload your song to Distrokid. Thank you once again and have a really wonderful day.